59 in Concord, 61 for Statesville, with temperatures in the mountains in the low to mid 60s. As we are moving through our day today, we'll notice those winds picking up here as that cold front starts to slide through. Already seeing some gusts around 20 to 25 miles per hour in Ashe County, and we'll likely see some of those stronger winds for our mountain communities as we move into the afternoon. Now, sunny skies, you don't have to worry about any wet weather today. As we get towards lunchtime, temperatures will be in the upper 70s for Charlotte, with highs reaching the low to mid 80s later this afternoon, with that breeze transitioning out of the northeast for the second half of the day. With this cold front sliding through, it is going to be bringing in some cooler air and clear conditions, so you don't have to worry about any sort of wet weather that will be riding in with this front. It is going to be moisture starved, with high pressure sliding in for the second half of our week here, keeping our forecast nice and dry. Today will be the warmest out of the next 7, with highs topping out in the low to mid 80s for much of the area. We'll get to 84 in Gastonia, 82 for Hickory, 82 in Statesville, with temperatures in the mountains reaching the upper 60s to near 70. Overnight lows, those will be falling back into the 40s for our mountain communities. So one of the cooler nights we've had yet this fall season, and throughout the region, through the Piedmont and foothills, those temperatures will tumble back into the mid to upper 50s. Now, tomorrow's highs also going to be cooler and slightly below average. Our average high 76. We'll get to 75 in Charlotte, 73 for Statesville and Salisbury, with temperatures in the mountains reaching the mid to upper 60s. And again, we're looking at full sunshine, so you don't have to worry about any wet weather in the forecast for really the majority of the week. Now, the latest on Milton, it has strengthened here with the latest update that just came out from the National Hurricane Center, and it is a Category 2 hurricane. We have those hurricane warnings in effect for the Yucatan Peninsula, and some new watches in effect here, storm surge watches and tropical storm and hurricane watches for the Florida West Gulf Coast. Now, this storm is going to be strengthening into a major hurricane by later today, then likely a Category 4 hurricane by early Tuesday. As it gets closer to the peninsula of Florida, it's going to be interacting with some of this drier air and some higher shear, so it will knock back a bit of that potency, but still likely to make landfall as a major hurricane somewhere within that western Gulf here of Florida. As it moves through Thursday morning, it will remain a Category 1 hurricane passing over the center of Florida before moving off the coast here and away from the U.S. mainland. Now, although we won't see any direct impacts here from this storm, we're not going to see any wet weather because of that strong pressure gradient between high pressure over us and that low pressure system moving through Florida. Expecting those winds to pick up for areas near and south of 85 Wednesday and Thursday. So you'll feel that here with those gusts around 20 to 25 miles per hour. By Thursday afternoon, we'll see those temperatures in the low 70s, but overnight lows, those are going to